story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, stow and go, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.